What if I told you there's a platform where you can earn money in two completely different ways? You can hire professionals starting at $5 to grow your business. Or you can earn up to $150 every time someone signs up through your link. This is Fiverr, and today I'm going to show you both sides, how to use it, and how to make money from it as an affiliate marketer. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether Fiverr is worth your time, as a buyer, and as someone looking for a real affiliate income stream in 2026. Fiverr launched in 2010 with a simple idea. Every service starts at $5. Today it's grown into one of the world's largest freelance marketplaces, with over 3 million active buyers and sellers from more than 160 countries. You can find professionals for almost anything: graphic design, video editing, AI tools, voiceovers, website development, SEO, content writing, social media management, business consulting, and hundreds of niche services you'd never expect to find. The model is simple. Freelancers create gigs, fixed-price service listings, and buyers browse, compare, and order directly. No bidding, no negotiation, no waiting for applications, just browse and buy. This simplicity is exactly why Fiverr has built such a loyal user base, and why it converts so well as an affiliate product. Here's how the platform actually works, step by step. Step 1. Search. You type what you need. YouTube thumbnail design, AI voiceover, WordPress website. You instantly get hundreds of results. Step 2. Compare. Every gig shows price, delivery time, seller rating, and review count up front. No hidden information, no sales calls. Step 3. Choose a package. Most sellers offer 3 tiers: basic, standard, and premium, with different levels of revisions, delivery speed, and features. Step 4. Order and pay. Your payment goes into escrow. Fiverr holds it until you approve the delivered work. Your money is protected. Step 5. Receive delivery. Most gigs deliver in 1 to 3 days. Express gigs deliver in 24 hours. The whole process, from search to checkout, can take under 10 minutes. For your audience, this is the key message. Fiverr removes the friction from outsourcing. That's the core value proposition that makes it so easy to promote. Let's break down what Fiverr genuinely does well. Massive selection. Over 700 service categories. If a skill exists, someone on Fiverr is selling it. AI prompt engineer? That gig exists. Podcast editor? Multiple pages of results. Fiverr adapts to trends fast. New AI-related gigs appeared within weeks of ChatGPT's launch. Transparent pricing. You see the price before you talk to anyone. No surprise quotes. No upsell calls. For budget-conscious beginners, this alone sets Fiverr apart. Speed. Traditional hiring takes weeks. Fiverr can get you a logo, a video edit, or a website audit delivered tomorrow. Buyer protection. The escrow system means no seller can take your money and disappear. If the work doesn't match what was promised, Fiverr's Resolution Center handles refunds. Verified reviews. Only buyers who actually purchased can leave reviews. So the rating system is genuinely trustworthy, unlike some platforms where reviews can be gamed. Now the honest part, where Fiverr can catch beginners off guard. Quality variance. A $5 logo and a $200 logo are both called logo design on Fiverr. The experience gap is enormous. New buyers often order the cheapest option first, get disappointed, and assume the whole platform is bad. The fix: filter by seller level. Level 2 or top-rated sellers deliver far more consistently. The upsell maze. That $5 gig? Add commercial use rights, source files, and extra revisions. Now you're at $60. The base price is a hook. Teach your audience to read the full package breakdown before ordering. Communication gaps. Some sellers respond in minutes. Others take 24 hours, and English fluency varies. For detailed creative projects, this friction adds up. Inconsistent delivery times. 24-hour delivery means the gig is delivered within 24 hours. but only after the seller accepts the order, which can add extra time during busy periods. Being honest about these cons actually increases your credibility as an affiliate, and it helps your audience buy smarter, which reduces refunds and increases trust in your recommendations. Fiverr is a perfect match for a very specific type of person: YouTubers and content creators, thumbnails, intros, video editing, voiceovers, channel art, scripts. Everything you need to look professional without a full team. Affiliate marketers and bloggers, logo, site design, SEO audits, content writing, keyword research. Scale your site faster without hiring full-time writers. Small business owners, pitch decks, social media graphics, explainer videos, business card design. Get agency quality output at freelancer pricing. Entrepreneurs launching products, landing pages, email sequences, product mockups, brand identity. Fiverr can take you from idea to launch ready in days. Where Fiverr is not the best fit if you need the same person every day for ongoing work that requires deep institutional knowledge. For that, a direct hire or a dedicated agency makes more sense. But for specific, well-defined, one-time or recurring tasks, Fiverr is hard to beat on speed and price. Now here's the part most review videos don't talk about. Fiverr has one of the best affiliate programs in the make money online space, and it's completely free to join. Here's how it works. You sign up at affiliates.fiverr.com. You get a unique link. Every time someone clicks your link and makes their first purchase on Fiverr, you earn a commission. The commission structure is generous. For most services, you earn between $15 and $150 per new buyer, depending on the category they purchase in. High-value categories like business consulting and programming pay the most. And here's what makes Fiverr Affiliate stand out from other programs. The cookie lasts 30 days. So if someone clicks your link today and buys anything within 30 days, you get credited. The best channels to promote Fiverr affiliate links are YouTube videos exactly like this one, blog posts reviewing Fiverr or freelancing tools, email newsletters targeting entrepreneurs and side hustlers, and social media content showing real Fiverr results. Your audience for JB Global MMO, people interested in online income, AI tools, and side hustles, is a near-perfect match for Fiverr buyers. When you recommend Fiverr, you're recommending something your audience actually needs. That alignment is what makes a great affiliate product. Not just high commission, but genuine fit. So, is Fiverr worth it in 2026? As a buyer, yes, for the right use case. Fast, transparent, and genuinely useful for creators and entrepreneurs who need professional work without full-time hires. Just go in informed, read reviews, start small, and filter by seller level. As an affiliate product to promote, yes, strongly. Free to join, generous commissions, 30-day cookie, and a platform your audience already has a reason to use. The combination of a genuinely useful product and a solid affiliate program is rare. Fiverr is one of the few platforms where recommending it to your audience feels natural, not like a pitch. The link to try Fiverr is in the description below. If you use it, it helps support this channel at no extra cost to you. Every week on JB Global MMO, I break down the tools, platforms, and strategies that actually help you build income online. No hype, no shortcuts, just what works. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one.